Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Thank you for clicking on the video. I appreciate the support, and if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to consider clicking on the subscribe button and hitting that notification bell just so you don't miss any of the awesome videos that are coming your way. It is August 2023, and again, it is my turn to present a project share for A Trace of Sparkle. As you guys know, I am on their design team, and August is my month to share something with you guys. So this is the paper that I have chosen to work with. It is called Nina's Sewing Room. Guys, this collection is so pretty. I just couldn't wait to make something with it. So I combined two things. I used the paper to make something that was on my list to make for me, and I just have not done it. So anyway, I'm going to go through some of the papers that I have printed, and it is not by any means all of them, but just to give you an idea as to what it looks like. So here is one of the pages, and she does use this pretty bling piece. She does use that in some of the papers, and I just think that is so pretty. So that is one. Here is another one. How pretty does that look? That vintage sewing machine, that mannequin, well, not mannequin, but the dress form on the back, the wire dress form. These are so pretty. And then here are some tags, some sentiments. And right here you can see that it says designed by A Trace of Sparkle. Nana's Sewing Room is the name of that. And I'm gonna link her Etsy shop in the description box, so you can head on over there if you wish and check her out. And there's that bling piece again. Just love that. And then these are for, you can wrap your trims or you know, your ribbon or whatever. So that, I like that, I really do. And these, you cut these out and then you fold it on the line and they become super sturdy. So I really like that, because then you have the images on both sides. Love, same image, but you have images on both sides. Really love that. Can't wait to use that in a swap somewhere. And then here is another, this one is a cut apart page, and it's got all these pretty cards on here. These are two tags, and isn't that just gorgeous? Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Just love that. And then here is another cut apart page, and again, it is called Nana's Sewing Room. It is so pretty, guys, so pretty. So let me show you what I have made. I'm going to show you the first project I made, and it goes with a little explaining, but I will explain as we go. So I had wanted to make a hat for myself since I got the die, the ball cap die. I had wanted to make a cap for me, for my room, just as decor. Here is my cap, guys. Let me see if you can see this. Yeah. Here's my cap. Oh my gosh, I love how it turned out. Guys, I printed on some fabric. Yes, I didn't think it was going to be possible, just because what I had was a drop cloth, you know, that woven drop cloth, and I thought, I wonder if it would print on the fabric itself. And all I did, guys, was put double-sided tape on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and then I taped the drop cloth down, trimmed it to the size of the copy paper, because it was just copy paper, and then ran it through my machine and printed out you know, one of the pages, and it worked. I just let it dry because I could feel the damp ink on there. So I did let it dry for about a day before I attempted to use it. But here's my cap, guys. Oh my gosh. And then this flower, Carol's Craft Cottage, I believe, Carol Herlock. She was showing how she makes her peonies. So I made a couple of them, and then I put a little flower there. My little scissors came from Happy Crafter Shop, and I just put some flowers, you know, a little cluster of flowers, a bow, a butterfly, another, you know, piece right there, and then this piece on the top. All I did for these matte layers was I traced around the die and then just hand cut it, and I love how it turned out, guys. It turned out really well. Now I didn't do the box part because this is for me, and I might hang it, I don't know, but I didn't do the box part. But I did line the inside, and I did use the paper from the collection to line the inside. How cute did that turn out, guys? Oh my gosh, I love it. So here is a piece of fabric, or, you know, drop cloth that I had left over, and this one is the one on the brim of the cap. So it came out that from that piece right there. And I think I printed 2 of these fabrics, and you know, and then I just took it off the paper, let it dry, and used it. So guys, that's an idea. I mean, I think I'm going to use that technique again. And as you can see, the images, they do come out really well, in spite of the fact that this was, you know, it's like a tannish color, but I think it just adds to the, you know, vintagey look that I was going for. So I love the way this turned out. I really do, guys. I was you know, there are very few projects where I feel like I impressed myself. I impressed myself with this one. I was so excited that it turned out the way I envisioned it to turn out. And usually, you know, it takes a few tries before something comes out halfway decent. This was on the first try. I just love the way that turned out. So, but I also wanted to use it in paper form and not just on the inside of the cap. So I made another little project. I did use one of my dies for this, but look at that, guys. I made, I'll make sure that you can see them all. I made a banner with my name on it. And you know, I just strung it on this cord that I had in my stash. So I did go ahead and use one of the sheets of paper, a couple of sheets of paper. The 2 A's on the outer end is one paper. The bottom layer is also from her paper line, and I just, you know, layered it up with stuff that I thought that I liked. And, you know, just some flowers, some butterflies, bows. I have some, you know, little roses on there. I have some tiny applique pieces. My buttons and scissors, again, they come from Happy Crafter Shop, as does the butterfly. And then this trim, I want to say that's one of the ones that I got from Rosa Gomez in the Valentine's Day swap that we had earlier this year. And then these letters are just something I had in my stash. I can't remember exactly what company I got them from. I want to say it was Momenta. I could be wrong. And then, so I made them all the same, but it just, everything was positioned just a little bit differently. Except the, you know, I actually was going, what I was going for on the A's was the scissors on this side, the buttons on this side, and I just went to town and didn't even think about it once I started assembling everything, and they turned out to be the same. But it is what it is. I still like it, so I'm gonna hang it in my room, guys. I am so excited. So that is my project share for a Trace of Sparkle. And again, guys, I am going to link her I hope I was in frame. I'm going to link her Etsy shop in the description box, and so you could go visit her and see what kind of digital papers or that she has in her shop, because look at that, it's beautiful. So now that I know I can print out on in my printer, it's just a regular printer, it's an HP printer, so now that I know I can print on it, I may continue that theme with other projects. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.